We're going to be modifying an existing query, and the query that we are going to be modifying is tech specialties. So we're going to right click and go into design view. And before I make any changes, I'm just going to go ahead and save it using the new name. And the new name is going to be Tech Operating Sys. Okay, and now we can go ahead and make changes, and we don't have to worry about saving over the top of tech specialties, so we don't want to lose what we have there. Now, what they would like us to do is get rid of some of these fields. And I'm going to right click right above certifications where I have a selector arrow. I'm going to right click and cut that field. And I'm also going to remove network specialty, web design, and programming. So let me just highlight these. Right click. Whoop, looks like we have to do them individually. No shortcuts here. We'll just right click and cut. All right, so now we're back to the one field that they wanted remaining, which is operating system. Now, if we run this query, you will notice that the operating systems, there's multiple systems separated by commas. We're going to go back into the design view. And if you would like each of those on a separate record, instead of using operating system, we need to use operating system.value. And we can actually click on the arrow here by operating system and select operating system.value. And now if we run this, you'll notice that each one is listed on a separate record. So it kind of splits them all out. And let's go back into design view. And they would only like to see operating system of Windows 10. So down on the criteria row, in the operating sys.value column, we're going to key in Windows 10. And press enter. And you'll notice it adds the double quotes around it, which is fine. And let's save and run. And you'll notice that the column heading is not particularly user-friendly. So we are going to go back into design view. And we'll right click and open up the properties so we can add a little caption for this. And our caption is going to be operating system. And let's close this. And now let's run it. And that is a much more user-friendly heading. And at this point, we are now done with this query, and you can save it and close it.